Onjoria no kuria wa bururi no uthiete na mbere na kwihanda thengia wa urugari uria ukoretwo kuo wa kiuteti.
Vice President
Mabarothi a mabururi matiganite na onjoria kuuma nja wa bururi moigite nimaiganiire na mitaratara na ugitiri wa thayu uria ugacirithitio guku bururi-ini.
Na nikio kuona andu a mabururi ma kuuma nja mari o guku na angi no maroka gwetha handu mangirutithania wira na uria mangirida ciao. Ni ukuona ta riu nitwetana mucemanio uyu wa export no aiyura muthenya uria ungi ndiraruria mucemanio uraiyurire tondu andu ni marenda guthii na mbere na biashara.
Akiari hindi ya mucemanio uyu president wa ngwataniro ya onjoria KNCCI Richard Ngatia oigite githurano kia ihinda riri ni ngurani na iria ingi cianahanika na gutiratanywo gugakorwo na ngui.
Twina mwihoko kahinda-ini gaka tondu ni ugukora ona candidates aria mekuothe manifesto ciao na maundu maria marauga ni ugukora wathio ngo ni andu aria megwitwa azimio wathio kuria kungi manifesto ciao ni marandika na makauga ni meguteithia muno biashara. Kwa manifesto yao irarora murimi wa kahua, irarora murimi, irarora mundu wa biashara, mundu uria wina kiganda uria gukuria na ni turageria kumuria ni atia mugutwikira.
Hindi ya gikaro giki ndereti ya guteithiriria bururi wa Kenya kwendia magetha na indo ingi cia iganda na njira nene nja wa bururi mugaru na uguri wa indo kuuma na nja ne thigatirwo na njira nene mabarothi aya makiheana kiraniro gia kugathika mawatho na mitaratara.
Now we need to go to venture more on value addition because the market is changing. The government has been advocating production of avocado because of the demand for the avocado product. With the new port of Lamu, the structures have also been incorporated to fit for the export of live animals.
Kuringana na ripoti cia onjoria mweri-ini wetatu mwaka uyu bururi wa Kenya wendirie indo cia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 95 nja wa bururi na gucoka kugura indo cia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 190 na nja wa bururi.
One of our key leading export products is tea. And I'm happy to note also that some of our importers of tea, countries who are importing tea, are present here today. I was just meeting the ambassador of Iran. Now there are going to be direct flights from Nairobi to Tehran. We have other markets which are now emerging. Russia is being one of them. We're expanding and we're going into specialty tea. Markets like the US.
Ithue twiharirie tuthie kuhura kura na twathie twaikia kura muthenya ucio twaikia kura reke tucoke wira-ini nigetha mawira maitu matikarugame ona muthenya ona umwe.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV njita Gitau wa Wanjiku.